Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the Roam and the app. Charge the speaker to at least 50% and set it on a table. Once done, open the Sonos S2 app, sign in, and remove the Roam from your system so it can be fresh configured. You do this because stored settings can block a clean rejoin. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password and Sonos account details ready. These let you finish immediately after the reset without interruptions. Now perform the factory reset to clear firmware hiccups and corrupted data. Hold the power button to turn the Roam off, wait about 10 seconds, then press and hold the play/pause button while you press power to boot. Keep holding play/pause until the LED flashes amber then white quickly. That sequence erases local settings and forces a fresh startup. Once the LED becomes a steady white, the speaker is in setup mode. This is why the reset succeeds when app removal alone failed. Finish by reinstalling the Roam from the Sonos S2 app. Choose Add Product, follow the Wi-Fi and account prompts, and let the app push any firmware updates. Once connected, play audio, verify Bluetooth switching and TruePlay tuning, and confirm the firmware shows current. If something goes wrong, try the reset sequence one more time. Intermittent failures are often timing related. If repeated resets fail, record the serial number and error behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.